is December 20th. We are doing a countdown to December 24th. 24 days of nail art with Charlie's Advent Calendar. Today we are on to day 20. Let's see what Charlie has for us today. Whoopsie. I think I can feel what it is. I think I can. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some foil. Dandelions. Alrighty, let's open this puppy up. See what we got. Whoops, it ripped. It ripped. Let's open it up and see what we got. I think we're gonna need a white nail. Oh, is that pretty? I don't know if you can see. This has got dandelions and other little flowers with it. This is whoops. This is really super pretty. So let me roll some of this back up. Let me get my scissors to cut us a piece. There we go, and I'm going to need to paint the nail white, which I'm going to do off camera at the same time. I have got my favorite shaped nail, which is a square. Has some base coat on it, so we're going to paint it white, and we'll be right fresh white nail. I'll be using iMethods foil glue. And we'll pop this in the lamp from somewhere between 30 and 60. 45 would be good, but I don't know, 45-second clock on there. So pop that in. Give that a quick little cure. Check out Charlie's nail art on all forms of social media. She's even on TikTok. Charlie's Nail Art Supply.co.uk is the website. I am a brand ambassador. My code is nailed at 10, all caps, to save yourself 10% off your bill. I'd greatly appreciate you using it. That would mean a lot to me. It would help me out. It would help you out. Help you save 10%. And it helps me out being an ambassador. It shows that people are watching my videos using my code. And I greatly appreciate it. It means the world to me. Also, subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. All giveaways, anything that, you know, may be important that comes across the airwaves here. Our nail is, our nail is finished. Here we go, here we go. I did not cut this right. Shoot. Rub. It's your sidewalls. Let me get my silicone tool. I need a new one. Get your edges, your pre-edge area. Rub-a-dub-dub. We're gonna rub. Hopefully we get a full transfer. Get my nail going here. I broke another nail. My middle finger here. This one broke last night. I don't know what I did, but it broke. kind of upset me because it happens a lot to me with my right hand in the winter. Why, I don't know. Let's see how we got. Okay, whoops. Here is our full coverage foil nail. The theme is dandelions. I think this is really super cute. I really liked it. It would look good over yellow. I'm going to be using Pucci's No Wipe Top Coat. This is a sister company to Umic in the UK. So we're going to top coat with this. We're not going to do no bling. Just going to put us a nice glossy top coat. Sticker of the lamp for 60 for a back here. Out of the lamp, here is our finished nail. I think it looks really nice. Love this foil. Many different flowers on here and designs that you can do with it. Over a yellow nail would look really, really nice, I think, or even a real pale, pale, pale blue. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up on the video. That would make me so happy. I'd greatly appreciate it. Well, stay tuned for tomorrow for day 21. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.